Welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Sean Wilkins, and I am a network engineer, author, and technical editor at InfoDispersion. I am excited to welcome you to my course, Fundamental Virtualization and Cloud Troubleshooting Scenarios. This course is one of many courses that are being introduced into the Pluralsight library to cover cloud topics. This course specifically focuses on troubleshooting topics. In the Reviewing Common Troubleshooting Methods module, we focus on the process that is commonly followed when troubleshooting problems in a cloud environment. In the Troubleshooting Cloud Deployment Scenarios module, we will talk about the common troubles that are seen when deploying a cloud solution. In the Troubleshooting Common Cloud Capacity Problems module, we will talk about the common issues that are found that relate to a cloud solution's resource availability. In the Addressing Automation and Orchestration Workflow Breakdowns module, we discuss automation and orchestration solutions and the common problems that involve them. In the Troubleshooting Cloud Networking Using Common Tools module, the focus moves to the network, where we talk about the common issues that are found as well as a review of some of the different tools that are used to help find and resolve them. And finally, in the Reviewing Cloud Security Issues module, we finish up this course and discuss security, specifically reviewing several of the different problems that occur that affect the security of the cloud solution. By the end of this course, you'll have a good base of knowledge to successfully understand the common troubleshooting scenarios that are encountered, as well as how they will present themselves and the tools that can be used to find and correct them. I hope you'll join me on this journey with the Fundamental Virtualization and Cloud Troubleshooting Scenarios course at Pluralsight.